All right, so anyway, this is the DeWalt 20 volt max brushless driver or drill. All right, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove this battery and how to charge it on the charger. It's pretty simple. You know, when you get this one's a little bit harder than like the Ryobis to get off. If you grab it and pull it, it'll come off, but you really got to get some pressure on it. When you depress this, you got to get it all the way down. Otherwise, it won't come off because it catches on that little lip there. So when you put it on, here's your contacts here and right here, right? So those got to meet up and they run through those little channels on the side. You see that? So you go on and you just got to give it a snap, right? And then it's on. What I do is I grab it here. I put my thumb on the bottom. I grab it here and I go like that. And that comes off easier. And then we can go ahead and charge it. Put it on, bam, like that. So now I'm going to show you how you charge the battery on this. Now I have an extra one. I'm going to use this one to show you how to put it on the charger and how to use the charger. All right, let's do it. You ready? Here we go. Anyway, here's our charger, right? And I don't keep it plugged in all the time. I only plug it in when I need to charge the battery, okay? Because you don't want this stuff all plugged in all the time. You follow me? See, I don't have these plugged in. I don't have this one. I don't have any of these plugged in. So I have my little thing here that gives me the power. So I pop that in there like that. Now I'm ready to go. And now let me just bring this over here so you guys can get a good view on it. So basically, this is just like the bottom of the drill. You know, it's got channels here. It's got contacts there. And this is where you're going to slide your battery in from the top here like this. And so you just slide it on there like that. And then all I do is just give it a squeeze. Bam, done. So here you are, you got it on the charger, right? And you want to get it off. So you're going to probably need both hands. You got to squeeze this and then pull. And bam, it comes right off. Put it back on. Bam, just like that. So let's go ahead and get this one off of here, right? And let's put this one on and see what happens. So let's pull this one off. Let's go ahead and put this one on. I know I've been using this one, so it might not have as much of a charge in it. And it's showing like that. It's blinking. So when this gets solid, we'll be good. We're just going to let that sit there and go solid. I'm going to put this one back on the drill because this one's fully charged, right? Bam, ready to go. All right, and that's basically it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.